Well, guys, I was gonna stream, but apparently I'm not wired on my Switch when I am connected through an Ethernet cord. Gee golly willikers, I wonder why. Alrighty. Okay, this seems fine so far. This seems good. You know, maybe right here. No, it's fine. Okay, I'm in my window now. See, there's the original cable that broke. And now, wow. This shit got fucking decimated. Are you serious? Literally right as I was gonna stream, I had my PC set up, I had everything set up. Are you fucking serious?